You have only a few hours to claim your dawg's airdrop, and if you haven't claimed yours yet, make sure you use the link in the description of this video or in the comments below to get started. And if you don't know how to go about it, I made a video some days ago that will guide you on how to go about it. And if you click on this pop-up, it's going to take you to the video, and also you are going to find the link to the video in the description of this video. In this video, we want to discuss the launch date of Airdrop, the pre-market futures listing on OKX, and also we are going to discuss how to fix these particular issues which has stopped a good number of people from participating in this airdrop. And finally, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Ton wallet to dawg's airdrop so you could be able to make withdrawal when it is time. Good evening, fam, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and tell me your name in the comments below so I can welcome you. So far, I have referred 668 people to dawg's airdrop, and I've been able to accumulate a good number of these tokens. I'm currently having 116k, which I might do some giveaway once if actually this is going to pay off. Then there are a couple of things you should do in order to be able to earn more, right? I have done so many of these tasks. I have just 4 of them. Then I'm going to show you how to go about it so you can as well claim more tokens. So the first one on the list is make a Ton transaction. All you have to do is to go to your Telegram wallet, you get the wallet address, send in some Ton into the wallet, and you can also withdraw some Ton to another wallet to claim 3,000 dawgs. Then if you are a Notcoin Gold user, you are also going to get a bonus. So now here is another task, and if you are yet to do it, just do it now while you still have time. Just click on start, so where we have subscribed to durufx.com, that is Duruf Twitter handle, right? The founder of Telegram. Just click on start. It's going to take you to Twitter. Then you follow Pavel Duruf, and you go back and click on claim. Then you move on to the next task that says subscribe to Notcoin X, that is follow Notcoin on Twitter. I'm already following them. Then I'm going to come back and click on claim. Then the last one, you click on subscribe to Bloom. I think this is actually okay. I'm following Bloom already. Then I'm going to click on claim. There are a lot of tasks actually, but so I'm just doing it now because I didn't do it prior to now. Now this is how to connect your wallet to dawg's airdrop if you haven't done that already. I already have your wallet here, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to disconnect it by clicking on this wallet, and I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on connect a different wallet. Then I could use Ton Keeper. I'll just click on yes. I'll click on connect wallet. So I've been able to connect the wallet, right? You can basically change it to any other wallet at any point in time. About the listing date of dawg's, the team are yet to disclose the date, and they actually did promise that they are going to be revealing the date on the 14th, which is actually the birthday of Telegram. So this is what they said about the listing day. Hey dawg's community, here are some updates for you. Last day to earn more dawg's is 14th of August. Better hurry. Listing dates and all the details will be announced on the 14th of August as well. Important reminder, there is no circulation of tokens at the moment. Anyone trying to sell you tokens before the officially announced TGE, that is token generation event, is scamming you. Please trust only official information. However, you can participate in the pre-market on OKX, which is already available for everyone. So now let's talk about pre-market futures. OKX pre-market futures allows you to trade expiry futures on crypto that have not yet been officially listed. These pre-market futures are USDT margined and are usually delivered before the new crypto is listed on the spot market. OKX has introduced a pre-market futures trading feature to provide users with a safe and a reliable platform for participating in the price discovery of new cryptocurrencies. So this simply means that pre-market futures is basically an event which enables crypto traders to be able to trade their favorite cryptocurrency assets prior to when it is being listed officially for trading. So during this period, you could be able to make money from cryptocurrencies, although they are yet to be listed for trading on the spot market. So if you need more information about dawgs, the team behind it and all, I made a video on that. All you have to do is to click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to the video. You take your time and watch the video. And finally, once dawgs has been listed for trading, I'm actually going to make another video that will guide you on how to be able to trade your dawgs for cash. Before I draw the curtain, make sure you join our Telegram channel where we post opportunities like this, where we post crypto trading signals, crypto airdrops, crypto jobs, and other opportunities that revolves around the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If you are yet to subscribe, do well to do so, and make sure you share this video with your family and friends. And if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments below, and as well share your thoughts about dawgs airdrop in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.